thought it was 64 that he got caught doing.
Oh no! No, no, don't!
Shit.
Oh!
Oh, fuck. Shit.
Oh no. Shit.
No, no, don't! Shit. Oh, fuck. What's that? What's that? Come here. Good. Good. Where you going?
Started listening halfway through, but then she said it again.
Yeah.
Yes. Apparently she was.
Okay. An idiot.
Okay.
Overnight accommodation could be all yours this Friday.
Unreal. Okay, fingers crossed.
Escape to the Gold Coast. Book now at visitgoldcoast.com. Jess Mowboy coming up in minutes. Cambo's. Flashback on the way. Is you too, with or without you. 97.3 Brisbane's widest variety of music.
Really?
Twice I caught him sleeping on my pillow on the
Oh.
floor.
You gotta
Ooh,
stop
what was that?
Whoa, did you see that flash?
Yeah, what was that?
I don't know. I think it was
Was it a camera?
a tunnel maybe. Oh no, that guy got caught.
Which guy?
There was a guy there, now he's reversing.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'll show you, this is Aldi.
Where's the camera?
Yeah, it's the
Oh, it's
Aldi.
there.
Yeah.
What Audi? Oh, back there.